Hello everyone, my name is Arya Ajay Kuljarkar and I am a legal intern at Lexan Company. I am also a fourth year BLB student of GR Kari College from Margam, Goa and the Goa University. Today I am going to be talking on the topic of search by a police officer under the Code of Civil Procedure, Criminal Procedure in 1973. And the purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about how there is a search by a police officer under the CRPC. So, provisions regarding search by police officer are whenever any place liable to search or inspect is closed, any person residing in or being in charge of such place shall, on demand the officer or other persons executing the warrant or on production of the warrant, allow him free ingress thereto and to afford all reasonable facilities for a search therein. If ingress into such place cannot be obtained, the officer or other persons executing the warrant may proceed in the manner provided by subsection 2, section 47, where any person in or about such place is reasonably suspected of concealing about his person any article for which search should be done. Such person may be searched, and if such person is a woman, the search shall be made by another woman with strict regard to decency. Before making a search, the officer or other person about to make it shall call upon two or more independent or respectable inhabitants of the locality in which the place is to be searched is situate, or of any other locality if no such inhabitant of the said locality is available or is willing to be witness to the search to attend on and witness the search, may issue an order in writing to them or any of them so to do, where a witness is stamped or a witness could be amendable to head constable. The members of the raiding party held no reliance could be placed on the evidence of such punch witness, which was held in Usman H. Sheikh versus State. The search shall be made in their presence, and a list of all such things seized in the course of such search and of the places in which they are respectively found shall be prepared by such officer or other persons and signed by such witnesses, but no person witnessing a search under the section shall be required to attend the court as a witness of the search unless specially summoned by it. The occupant of the place searched or some person in his behalf shall in every instance be permitted to attend during the search, and a copy of list prepared under the section signed by the said witnesses shall be delivered to such occupant or person. When any person is searched under subsection 3, a list of all the things taken possession of shall be prepared, and a copy thereto shall be delivered to such person. Any person who without reasonable cause refuses or neglects to attend and witness a search under the section, when called upon to do so by an order in writing delivered or tendered to him, shall be deemed to have committed an offence under section 187 of the Indian Penal Code while conducting search or seizure under NDPS Act. In addition to the safeguard of provisions made in the Act, provisions of section 100 CRPC shall also be applicable. Mohammed Zainul Abdin versus State. When in execution of such warrant any place beyond the local jurisdiction of the court which issued the same, any of the things of which search is made are found, such things together with the list of the same prepared under the provisions hereinafter contained shall be immediately taken before the court issuing the warrant, unless such place is nearer to the magistrate having jurisdiction there is in than to such court, in which case the list and things shall be immediately taken before such magistrate, unless there be good cause to the contrary. Such magistrate shall make an order authorizing them to take to such court. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and please subscribe to the channel Lexicon and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a video. Also, please give me your feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video and previous videos, please post them in the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Lastly, the results also said any type of promotions of admission as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. And the sole purpose of making these videos for education purposes only. Thank you.